Okay, it's a little more difficult to see, but I have a centroid here. You got your three medians intersecting in the center of the triangle, and I've got the perpendicular line showing the height. So you see this base and this base split in half. Here's your perpendicular height, so these two triangles are the same area. And then you have this base and this base. Here's your perpendicular height, so these two triangles same area, and same here. It's kind of difficult to see, but this height, this perpendicular line, is perpendicular to this base. So it's showing that this height here times this base, and then that base is the 1/2, that's the area of these two triangles. So those are two areas that are equal. So now you got 6 triangles split up. A little hard to see from the picture, but that's going to make 6 equal area triangles because it's splitting it up into 6 pieces. So that's how you could split it up between 3 people, because you could pick any 2 for each person, and that would split it up. Of course, you'd want to pick 2 that are adjacent, but that would give you the equal area for 3 different people.